What we're doing here is we're cleaning the cavity insulation. The insulation has been touching the floor and it's getting damp inside the house. There was telltale signs before we came here where we could see watermarks and bricks starting to perish on the faces here. What was going in there was the insulation had dropped into the cavity. It had been injected into there, and once it had got wet it rose and found its way up the wall. So what we do here, we take away every 4 bricks and clear this area out. Then we pass our big rods through and clear a channel. So now there's a channel at the bottom of the damp course, and we can insert our gutter vents here. These allow airflow to continuously go into the cavity, and this will now dry out the cavity and give the house a warm feeling again and reduce the heating bills. If you look at the property next door, this had suffered the same way. See where the ground level's up against the actual vents and the garden as well. So this acts like a moat, and it siphons its way into the property, making it damp. So then bricks below the damp course can fill with water. We're also fitting air vents in the windows here. These are retrofit. These can go into any window, and all they do is allow air to escape the house. So if it's getting sucked in through the walls or through vents, it'll now be released. You've got to have a flowing circuit if you've got condensation issues in your property. It has to have airflow. We also from here will be checking the loft to make sure that the air has got a draw, so it actually sucks the air through the cavity. There we go, keeping them nice and clean there. This job normally takes about 2 days to do, but the benefits and the savings are very cost effective for the customer if they want a dry, more efficient house. The other alternative is a lot of people are getting the insulation took out, which is pretty pointless. It puts you back to where you started. If only it was done correctly in the first place.